So what is the difference between Roman and roller blinds, and which one should you pick? Let's discuss. Roman blinds are the most popular type of blind, and they're recognisable by their distinctive pleats when they fold up. Roller blinds are a more modern choice that roll up fully, meaning they require minimal space in a window. So with the definitions out of the way and you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's compare them. We're going to look at three main areas for this comparison, the first being practicality. Both Roman and roller blinds provide shade in the summer, but roller blinds can be opened further as they roll up fully, unlike Roman blinds that are limited due to their pleats. This allows the option of more sunlight. Light isn't the only factor to consider though, as heat transfer in and out the window is important too. Roman blinds can be insulated, keeping heat in and out depending on the time of the year, but roller blinds cannot. An important thing to consider, as this can help with those cold and drafty rooms and those fluctuating energy bills. Now let's compare the aesthetic of the blinds. Roman blinds are more decorative and show off your fabric choice more. They can also be used inside and outside of the recess, giving more flexibility for your room and the ability to make a feature out of your window. Roller blinds are normally only used inside the recess and therefore are less of a feature, but they can look great in a contemporary scheme. And finally, maybe the most important factor of them all, cost. Roller blinds tend to be cheaper than Roman blinds due to Roman blinds having a longer, more technical production process. Compared to curtains though, both blinds are usually cheaper and have a longer lifespan. So which one is best for you? I can't answer that for you. It is completely dependent on your personal preference and what you're trying to achieve in your home.